Leaking shutoff valves under sinks and toilets are a common plumbing issue. These leaks often stem from worn packing nuts or washers due to mineral buildup, corrosion, or age. Understanding the basic anatomy of a compression-style shutoff valve is key. The valve stem compresses against a seat to stop water flow. Leaks occur when the valve stem's seal against its seat fails to stop water flow effectively. The BrassCraft Valve Repair Kit provides replacement components such as packing nuts, washers, and O-rings to resolve these issues. It's designed for half-inch to three-quarter-inch valves. It is important to shut off the main water supply before beginning any repairs. This simple fix can save you from costly water damage and high plumbing fees, which average $150 to $300 per hour in 2025. By using the repair kit, you address the leak directly and ensure a long-lasting fix. Begin by shutting off the main water supply to prevent any water flow during the repair. Use an adjustable wrench and pliers to remove the old valve from the pipe. Disassemble the valve and replace worn packing nuts, washers, and O-rings with new components from the BrassCraft kit. Ensure parts align correctly. Wrap plumber's tape around threaded connections to create a watertight seal. Reassemble the valve, tighten connections, turn the water supply back on, and check for leaks. Tighten further if needed. Wear gloves and verify lead-free compliance. Many users report successful repairs with no re-leaks after 6 months, saving hundreds in professional plumbing costs.